Hey everyone, welcome back, and if you all are new here, welcome to the channel. So today we're going to be doing something different. Instead of doing press on nails, we're going to be doing press on toenails. These press on toenails are from Btartbox. They came out with a new style when it comes to their press on toenails. So we're going to start off with doing a at-home pedicure. And I really needed this so bad, so I'm going to give myself a pedicure. I did get my pedicure tub off of Amazon, and I really like it because you can change the temperature on the water to keep it warm. So I'm just going to do something light and give myself a nice pedicure. I'm just adding some body oil. I love adding body oil on my skin when my skin is still damp. It helps with the softness of my feet. And I am going to go in with a pumice stone and like a foot smoother to really get my heels because I needed that so bad. And once again, I'm going to let my feet soak. I'm also going to go in with a scrub on my feet as well and just go back and forth and get rid of that dead skin as needed. So fun fact, I really don't polish my toenails anymore. I wear press-on toenails from Btartbox, and I've been wearing them before they came out with this new style. And I'm so happy that they came out with a more square shaped toenail. And I love the press-on toenails because they're so quick and easy. I don't have to wait for them to dry or worry about my toenails smearing. So I love press-on toenails, and they're quick and easy to do at home. So I've been loving the press-on toenails anyway from Btartbox. So we're going to go ahead and get started with my toes here. I am going to go ahead and show you guys the new style. So I do have a regular French tip, and then I have another tip. These are their pink Croc tips, and these are so cute for like spring. But today we're going to go in with the French tip because I want them to match my nails when I do my nails later. And this whole set here, you get an alcohol pad, you get the directions. It does come with glue. I did use the glue, a nail file, a cuticle pusher, and then the nails come in the little plastic bag. Right here, I'm showing you guys the old style that they have. They still have this on their website, but I'm just comparing the old style with the new style, and I like both. And the new style is definitely trendy because a lot of girls like that flared out squared toenail look, and you do get the sticky tabs as well. I apologize for being out the frame here, but I was just cleaning up my toes with the alcohol pad and going in with the nail file to give my toes a rough surface so the toenails can last longer. You want to make sure you do that. Go in with the nail file so you can have a rough surface. And I'm just showing you guys the difference in size they have. So they have a size for every toe. Like if you have a big or wide nail bed, they have that covered for you. So I'm going to go in with the glue that was provided for me, and so far so good with the glue. Like my toenails are on, like they haven't moved at all. So the glue that was provided that comes in the pack is working pretty well. So I'm just starting off with the big toenails just to see how they look, you guys. And as you guys can see, they are really easy to put on. The exact same way you would put on press-on nails. You separate the ones that fit your natural nails, add your glue. I did put glue on my natural nails and the nail itself to press on, and I just hold it down for 30 seconds, and that's about it, you guys. And what I like about these are already shiny, so you don't have to add the top coat if you don't want to, but I did anyway because I wanted that extra shine. And I'm just removing the tabs here, and I'm going to take my nail file and kind of file that down so it can look as natural as possible. So we're going to go ahead and add our builder gel and top coat. So you want to go in with the builder gel first and then go in with the top coat. So builder gel, cure it for 30 seconds, then the top coat, and then cure it for another 30 seconds. And you'll be done. Like, it's so simple. It's so easy, you guys. It's quick and easy at home. You don't have to sit in a nail shop all day and wait to get your feet done. Literally, you can do it at home. And I like the extra shine on the toenails, even though it already comes shiny. I really like the extra shine, you guys. And y'all, it looks so natural. I love it. And I do like the flared out wide square toenails. Like, it looks so good. I love it. So of course we got to go in with some toe rings. Spring and summer is coming, so our feet have to be on point. So I'm just using some toe rings that I got from the hair store, and I'm going to add some ankle bracelets for that final touch. And you guys, this is so cute. It looked like I went to the shop. I love it. I'm loving their new style. If you guys are interested in these hair nails, I recommend to go on Btartbox website. They have so many different styles. I do have a discount code. I will have that code going across the screen. But guys, make sure you guys go ahead and check out Btartbox. Thank you, Btartbox, for sending these nails over. I love them. They look so good.